Yeah, today I will show you how I crochet on shoe sole. So I'll be working on size 37. This is what I use to create my sole, this pin. So I use it to create holes. So I also use fork. Then the need of fork is to know where to create your holes. You can see it here and here. So that's how I got my measurement. That is what I use here and here. So I'll be using size 1 crochet hook in Nigeria, size 1. So just watch out what I will be doing. I won't talk much on this video, just watch the movement of my hands. So I'll be making use of 3 size 9 black thread. Just watch out what I'll be doing. Make your knot. You make a chain. Then on the same stitch, you make a single crochet. Then on the next stitch, you make 3 single crochet. On each hole now I'll be crocheting 3 single crochet. So keep working till you go around the sole. You can see where I am now. Keep working 3 single crochet on each hole. So you finish up by crocheting on the first hole you started with. Just make a single crochet on that hole. Then you end. You make a slip stitch. Now you can see it. So let's crochet on the insole now. So I'll be crocheting the same thing I crochet on the sole. That is exactly what I will be crocheting on the insole. 3 single crochet on each hole. So you can use your fork to know exactly where to create your hole and crochet. So keep working till you walk around the insole. There you can see it. So now let's fix it together. So now we're crocheting on the whole of the insole together with the whole of the stitch of the insole together with the stitch of the sole. You can see it. Then you grab that of the sew, then you crochet together. So keep working single crochet to walk around the sole and insole. Yeah, you can see it. Please, if you love this video, do wait to subscribe, like, and share to your friend. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to crochet all kinds of crochet items. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.